I was just, you guys take care of it. Let me know when it's ready. I come in and sign the papers. Good to go.
A bank battle brewing in southeast Wisconsin. Billy Heck says a local credit union arranged and completed a wire transfer with a fake car dealership.
Billy Heck reached out to TMJ4 because he says the bank says he's still responsible for that $22,000 loan.
Our Ben Jordan shares why Billy thinks the bank needs to take some responsibility and how the credit union is responding.
How much were you looking forward to getting this vehicle?
I mean, it was going to be a game changer for income-wise for me and my family.
The last thing Billy Heck needed to land his dream job was a truck of his own.
It would have been a pretty significant change.
Back in 2024, Billy looked online and found this 2019 Chevy Silverado in Laredo, Texas for about $26,000.
Everything on the website was, I mean, they had 40, 50 cars, dealership, everything. It's a legit company on Google Maps. Everywhere you do, they have reviews. Everything seemed to be checked out fine.
Billy went to his bank, Landmark Credit Union in Hartford, to secure a loan. What steps did they tell you they went through to try to verify this was a legit dealership?
First thing he did, he checked the company background. He verified that they were a legit LLC. So he did all that work, and then he found out who they bank through, and it was a local bank that we all use.
Billy provided TMJ4 with emails he says were sent by a Landmark loan specialist. One says, quote, "I did speak with the dealership and we have to do a wire transfer because for them to send the vehicle, they need the funds first." Did the bank do the wire transfer?
Yes, yes. I had no part in the wire transfer, nor did I know it was going to be a wire transfer until the day of the signing of the loan.
When the truck didn't arrive as expected, Billy became suspicious.
Got a little sketched out, went online, checked the website. The website was down, phone numbers all went down.
Billy emailed the loan specialist saying, "I believe we may have been scammed." A day later, Billy says he received this response from the loan specialist, quote, "I don't know how this could be a scammed. You said they did a video of the vehicle, correct?" The email goes on to say, "I still don't understand how they have a bank account with J&R Auto Sales. That's what sold me on this being legitimate."
Yeah, he said they've never seen anything like that in, you know, how many years that they've been there.
A month later, a Landmark Credit Union fraud specialist sent Billy this email warning if he can't pay, the account would be sent to an attorney and, quote, "It will include a money judgment for the amount of the loan plus attorney fees, potential wage garnishment, and a lien on your property." Did they tell you you were at fault here?
They told me I was not at fault. They told me I was on the hook.
Why?
They told me I was on the hook because they said that I requested a wire transfer from the dealership, which I had nothing to do with and no part of.
Billy contacted Hartford police and filed this report. However, Hartford PD tells me their investigation is suspended. Quote, "The detective has exhausted all avenues in attempt to find the suspects."
I get frustrated twice a month every time that payment gets taken out of my account.
Billy says he's now stuck paying $280 a month for the loan for the next 4 years.
I wasn't expecting to be on the hook for all that.
Billy tells me the bank made one concession, removing the interest from the loan.
After I purchased the vehicle, I was told that the $25,000 doesn't meet their minimum for them to move forward on federal insurance and trying to recover that.
I reached out to Landmark Credit Union to request an interview. A spokesperson declined, citing its obligation to protect customer privacy as a regulated financial institution. In an emailed statement, Landmark says it has initiated a formal complaint to, quote, "understand what occurred and to determine what steps may be available to address the matter." Less than 24 hours after I reached out to Landmark, Billy says he got 3 of these notifications, saying the loan specialist was attempting to recall emails he sent to Billy. I followed up with Landmark. A spokesperson replied, saying, "Not only do we expect our associates to conduct themselves with the highest ethical standards, we have zero tolerance for misconduct. Leadership has initiated an internal investigation around this matter."
What are you calling on the bank to do?
If they can somehow, meet me halfway, or, maybe they should add some things in their background where they're like, we can't do wire transfers. We need a certified bank check, something like that, or something that's, more traceable once it leaves possession.
Reporting in Hartford, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.